Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So today I'm really excited because I have a special collaboration called We Gather Together, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and my co-host is Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living. Now, the theme for today was black and gold. I'm absolutely loving those colors. And you can pretty much decorate any area of your home. The only thing I ask is that you answer one question. What are you thankful for? Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to the playlist so that you can see how we decorated in black and gold for We Gather Together, and we told you exactly what we're thankful for. Now every time you click like and full watch the video, this helps us to grow. And make sure and comment below because we would love to hear from you. So now I decided to go ahead and decorate this dining experience inside the house, a cozy table for two, and I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the tablescape. So now the tablecloth, I purchased that at Walmart. And then the runner that's going down the middle, I got that from Hobby Lobby along with the charger. Now the plates I got from the Dollar Tree. And now all of the candles, I did purchase those at Dollar Tree. And the rest of the items were pretty much all DIYs, and I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's see. I am so thankful for so many things. I am thankful that I have my family, that I have my mom. I'm thankful for my kids. I'm thankful that I'm here today because each day is a blessing and it's not promised to us. And I can tell you this, that I am thankful that I know God and that He is my Lord and Savior. And so there's many things that we can be thankful for. Those are the ones I wanted to mention in this video. So what I do want to say is that we don't always get along with people, but we should love them because God loved us. We are not easy to get along with, yet we can always point out the defects in someone else. I choose to live my life today that it's okay for the ones that are there are meant to be there, and the ones that are not, it's okay because I'm going to love you anyway. So let's head on over back to the tablescape. I cannot believe that I found this flatware at Aldi's. It is very trendy right now, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I cannot wait for you to see that. Now, the wine glasses or the champagne flutes, those came from the Salvation Army, but I know I saw them at Home Goods, so I got those for only a couple of dollars. Awesome buy. And then the water glasses, those came from the Dollar Tree. So the cloth napkins, those were also thrifted items. I believe I got those at the Goodwill. And if I'm forgetting anything, pretty much a lot of the items were all budget friendly. So I think overall I created a glamorous tablescape in gold and black that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we lit the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living for hosting this collaboration with me. I think I put this together so beautifully, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.